In this video, we are going to make 3D map in Excel related to coronavirus outbreak. You will also learn how to analyze the data based on 3D map. This data shows the 163 countries or places affected by coronavirus. This is already in Excel Table 4. To create 3D map, place the cursor to any part of the table. Go to Insert, then 3D map. You must have an internet connection to build this map. Here is our 3D map. The default chart is stack column. As you can see, areas affected by coronavirus are with blue squares. You can use these 4 arrows to move the 3D map. You can use these plus and minus signs to enlarge and reduce the 3D map. This box shows that the map is by country. It can be city, province, or zip code. At this moment, our map is by country. You can also navigate the map by using the mouse. You can see which countries are presently affected by coronavirus. You can change the visualization using bubble chart. Circles are too small. To enlarge the circles, let's go to Layer Options and adjust the size. Circles are now more visible. Since circles are of the same sizes, it is not clear which country is more affected by coronavirus than others. To solve this problem, let's go to Field List. Drop the field name Total Cases to Size. There is another way to do this. Delete the field list. Go to Size. Click the Add field. Choose Total Cases. Delete the legend. Adjust the size of the circles. Let's add the map labels. Adjust the size again. Now it is very obvious which countries are more affected by coronavirus. The largest circle or bubble belongs to China. You can change the basis of the size of bubbles by clicking the delete field sign, then add field and choose different field. Let's choose new cases. Observe how the situation changed now. In terms of new cases, it is not anymore China who has the largest bubble. It is now in Europe part. Reduce the size of the circle, then enlarge the map. As you scroll, Germany has the largest number of new cases, followed by Austria and Belgium. Some parts of Asia are also having larger number of new cases. Change now to active cases. Italy is the highest, followed by Iran, and then Spain. We can change the visualization with heat map. Change the basis of value with total cases. Adjust the radius of influence. Same with our previous observation, it is led by China, Italy, and Iran. Now change the visualization to region. Now the map is slowly having colors. China has the darkest color since it has the highest number of total cases, again followed by Italy and Iran. Nice presentation, right? Click the themes to change appearance of the map. You can choose any of the 12 designs. Let's go back to the original appearance. Delete the field to see which countries are affected by coronavirus. All those with blue colors are affected ones, while countries in white color are those with no reported cases of coronavirus such as Chad, Angola, and Zimbabwe. There you are, our very flexible and visually attractive 3D map. This is a great help if you want to present coronavirus case in your classroom or in office meeting. Good luck and wish you all the success. Like and share this video. To know more about data visualization, you can check the links in the description below or click the end screens.